Hey everybody, Simon here. So today in this video, I want to talk about some of the deals that I'm seeing from prepaid carriers like Visible, Total Wireless, and Mint Mobile. And it looks like there's like this really aggressive move by Verizon and T-Mobile to get customers to their network. And let's take a look at Visible by Verizon. Now, Visible is a prepaid carrier that is owned by Verizon. So you'll be using the Verizon network. And you see at the very top, when you first go to their website, you're going to see T-Mobile customers bring your number and phone to Visible and pay $15 per month, guaranteed for 5 years. And you're going to use that code when you check out. Now let's take a look at some of the terms. So you have to bring your own device, make sure that it's an unlocked device, and then you got to port in from T-Mobile. Important part, number 2 right here, transfer your number from a T-Mobile postpaid account within 30 days of transactions. So it can't be T-Mobile's own prepaid service or any other MVNO that uses the T-Mobile network. So it has to be T-Mobile postpaid accounts. Now you'll be using the Visible basic plan. So let's take a look now at what you get with the Visible $25 plan, which is basically I call it the basic plan. So you get unlimited data, talk and text on Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE networks. You got you'll be able to block spam and robocalls. Mobile hotspot, you get unlimited use of your phone as a Wi-Fi connection. And then for international, you get unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. So let's take a look at more details. So the typical 4G and LTE download speeds are between 9 and 149 megabits per second. Video streams in standard definition, so no HD. So in times of traffic, your data may be temporarily slower than other traffic. So you're basically going to be deprioritized at certain times. And for the unlimited mobile hotspot, the unlimited data speeds are only up to 5 megabits per second. And then there's more information about unlimited calling and messaging to Mexico and Canada when you are in the US. So that is the basic plan. But let's take a look more at the broadband fax label for the $25 plan. So it gives you all the information. Again, taxes and fees are included. Now right here, it says that the 5G, the typical download speed, is going to be between 34 and 149 megabits per second. Upload is somewhere between 6 to 37 megabits per second for the upload speeds. And the 4G LTE, you're going to be seeing somewhere between 9 to 69 megabits per second and 1 to 13 megabits per second. And also the $25 unlimited data plan doesn't have ultra wideband access, so you won't get those crazy insane speeds on the base plan. And it looks like this only works for individuals, which makes sense because Visible don't really have family plans to begin with. If you want to bring your family to Visible, unfortunately, each family member will have to have their own accounts. Now, one other thing I want to mention is that for some odd reason, customers from Visible and other MVNOs that uses the Verizon network, there seems to be this weird 30 megabits per second download speed when they're connected to 5G. And it's very apparent if you go on Visible's subreddit page. A lot of customers, including myself, we are on the base plan, the $25 plan. And for some reason, when we're connected to 5G, we just can't get past that 30 megabits per second download speed. It's not happening to everyone, but it is happening to some of their customers. So I just want you to be aware of that. And if you want to check out more information about that, I made a whole video about it. You can click it right there at the card, and I'll also leave a link in the description. So that is Visible by Verizon. Now let's take a look at another prepaid carrier that is owned by Visible, which is Total Wireless. So their deal is switch to get $15 per month per line when you bring 2+ lines, so 2 or more lines, to Total Wireless. And again, it's guaranteed for 5 years. Taxes and fees are included, and they're accepting customers from T-Mobile, Mint Mobile, or Metro by T-Mobile. So again, there's also is a limited time offer, and also it says after 5 consecutive years, promo becomes subject to cancellation at Total Wireless discretion. So after 5 years, the prices might increase. So the 2-line cost is going to be $30 per month, so $15 per line. And looks like price guarantee for 5 years, unlimited data that never slows you down, America's 5G fastest speeds, and then you get roaming in Canada, Mexico, and 15 plus countries as well. So let's take a look at that plan and let's see what are the limitations to that plan. So the total 5G unlimited. So normal price will be $50 per month. So you get 12 times faster unlimited data that never slows you down. So I believe the total 5G unlimited plan from Total Wireless is not deprioritized. So it looks like you are able to use 5G ultra wideband access. So you're gonna get those fast speeds as opposed to what you would get on Visible's basic $25 plan. You also get 15 gigabytes of hotspot. You get $200 on your next 5G phone after 12 monthly plan payments with Total Rewards. Not sure what that is. You also get calling to 85 plus destinations, texting to 200 plus destination, roaming in Canada and Mexico, plus roaming in 15 plus countries. So that is the Total Wireless deal that they're currently running. Now let's take a look at Mint Mobile, which uses the T-Mobile network. Their offer is buy plan, get up to 4 free plans, and you can switch from either AT&T or Verizon. And right here, let's take a look. It says primary line and up to 4 additional lines must port in from AT&T or Verizon. Free lines will be the same 3-month intro rate plan as purchased line and must be activated within 45 days. So the taxes and fees are not included, it's extra. After the 3-month intro, full price plan options available for all lines. So this is only for 3 months. Those additional lines that you get for free is only for 3 months. After that, after 3 months, you're gonna have to renew at the full price, depending how many months you want to renew. So they go by 3 months, 6 months, and 12. So let's take a look at some of the FAQs. So this one's a good one. I'm currently on a carrier that operates on AT&T or Verizon network. So MVNOs. Can I qualify for the limited time buy plan, get up to 4 free promotion? You sure can, as long as you bring your number to Mint, you qualify for this promo. So it looks like you are able to sign up for this plan on Mint Mobile if you're using an MVNO that uses an AT&T or Verizon network. And I choose a different plan as part of the limited time buyer plan, get up to 4 promotion. It's like, no, all plans must be the same data amount and must transfer their number. There are no mixing and matching plans on this offer. So basically, if you choose an unlimited data plan, then all the other free lines have to be on unlimited data plan. Or if you choose a 5 gigabyte plan, then all the other lines must be on 5 gigabyte as well. So which deal is the best? Well, if you just look at the deals itself, then Visible or Total Wireless have the better deal because their prices are guaranteed for 5 years. Whereas Mint Mobile's, it's only 3 months for those free lines. But ultimately, it really depends on your area. Definitely ask around your neighbors, your friends, and ask them, hey, which network are you using? Are you using Verizon? Are you using T-Mobile? And just kind of figure out what their experience was. And then after that, you'll be able to decide if you want to switch over to one of these prepaid carriers. But I want to know, what are your thoughts on these deals? Do you think they're good? What has been your experience with Visible, Total Wireless, or Mint Mobile? Leave a comment below. And if you want to check out my most recent review on Visible and Mint Mobile, you can check out those videos right there.